Hello. I am Claudia of Cake4three. Today we will see how to make a cartoon cake. We start with the heavy cream and then put pieces of white chocolate inside. As usual, I leave you the doses in the description. Then we heat the cream and chocolate in the microwave. Do this gently, 30 seconds at a time, so as not to burn the chocolate. Stir until the chocolate pieces are completely melted and leave to cool. When the ganache is at room temperature, take your cake out from the fridge. The cake is ready, covered with crumb coat. I leave the link in the description on how to prepare the cake up to this point. Using the spatula, place the chocolate ganache on the cake and spread it evenly, on all surfaces. It is important because the chocolate ganache will isolate the fondant from the cake. Let it rest in the fridge. Start preparing the fondant by activating and mixing it before using it. In this case, I have a light yellow to make the panel around the cake. Today we use the paneling mode to cover the cake. I have prepared a panel that I will use around the cake. As you can see, I use the rolling pin to roll it before placing it on the cake. With the help of the rolling pin, I roll it onto the cake and then use two smoothers to attach to the cake and smooth out the joint. I prepare orange fondant to cover the top. Once I have the piece ready and it's big enough, since we want to show some drops like the dripping effect, I start cutting to get the effect of the drops. If you are not sure how to cut it, you can prepare a template. Using the rolling pin, I distribute the fondant with the dripping effect on the cake. And then with the smooth spatula and various tools, I fix it on the cake. As you can see, I always place the excess and used fondant in a sheet of plasticized paper to prevent it from drying out. Since I want to add some red dots around the cake, I added a few drops of red colored gel to the fondant and then rolled out the fondant with a rolling pin. Then using molds, I create dots to attach to the side of the cake. If you do this when the fondant is just fresh on the cake and still at room temperature, it is easy to attach. Otherwise, you can use a little water to attach the dots to the side of the cake. I will make another short video on how you can attach the fondant decoration parts. I then took some pieces of black fondant and rolled it into rolls to stick on the edge of the cake and some decorations to simulate pencils around a cartoon. Since the black color is very difficult to obtain, I advise you to buy the fondant already in the black color. With the help of a little water, I attached the rolls of fondant to the edges of the decoration. If it breaks, it doesn't matter, you won't notice it, and in any case, some breaks between the lines are part of the cartoon effect. I warn you that it is quite a long job, especially if you don't have an extractor to prepare the rolls. Remember, as I said, to leave a few breaks of the black line here and there to give the cartoon effect. Here is the result once finished. Let me know if you liked and feel free to distribute it to anyone you think might be interested. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for my next videos.